pavement really hard. Oop. You gotta throw it down with some force. 1, 2. Yeah! Here's another one. Thank you. Pick that one up. Throw it like that. Yeah. Throw it down hard.
Oh.
Come on, throw it hard. Throw it hard. Yeah!
Oh, man, did it, Mama!
You did it! That was awesome!
Daddy holds them.
Poppers. Poppers for America.
Yeah, you gotta be a little bit tougher than that.
Woo!
Yeah! Here, Mama, you throw this one.
Ready? Watch this. Can I do it, Luke? Or do I throw it?
No, dude.
Here, watch. Daddy's gonna do it.
Okay.
We'll do it at the same time. We'll do it at the same time. Pick it up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
I don't know if Daddy's hot.
It did pop. It sounded like a pop.
Perfect. Done.
Here, you want to do it again at the same time? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we did it.
You did that. Here, throw it again. You gotta throw that thing hard. No, Gray, you don't want to do that.
Don't do that. Then this. Oh.
Pick it up. Throw it hard. You get 2 at a time. Both hands. Ready? Oh, Luke. Be a good guy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Throw it hard. Doesn't work. You just gotta throw it hard enough. Watch this. Daddy will do it. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Boy. Throw it hard.